Kidneys are vital organs that perform many functions in the body. They filter waste and toxins from the blood, regulate blood pressure and fluid balance, produce hormones and enzymes, and maintain electrolyte levels. Without healthy kidneys, the body can suffer from various problems such as anemia, bone disease, cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and kidney failure. Kidney health is influenced by many factors, such as genetics, age, lifestyle, diet, and medical conditions. Some of these factors are beyond our control, but others can be modified to improve kidney health. Here are foods that help repair your kidneys and prevent kidney disease. These foods are not only delicious and nutritious, but also backed by science and proven to work. So stay tuned and watch this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the walls of the bladder and the urethra. But did you know that cranberries can also benefit your kidneys? Studies have shown that cranberries can lower the risk of kidney stones by reducing the amount of oxalate and calcium in the urine. They can also lower inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can improve their function and prevent further damage. You can enjoy cranberries fresh, dried, or as juice, but make sure to choose unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugar. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory that can help fight infections and inflammation in the kidneys. Garlic also contains allicin, a compound that can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are both risk factors for kidney disease. Additionally, garlic can enhance the flavor of your food without adding too much sodium, which can harm your kidneys if consumed in excess. You can use garlic fresh, minced, or as powder in your cooking, or take it as a supplement after consulting with your doctor. Number 3. Red grapes. Red grapes are not only tasty and refreshing, but also good for your kidneys. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a polyphenol that can lower inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can improve their function and prevent damage. Resveratrol can also protect your blood vessels from plaque buildup and improve blood flow, which can benefit your kidneys and heart. You can eat red grapes fresh or dried, or drink red wine in moderation. Number 4. Water. Water is the most essential and simplest food that can help repair your kidneys. Water helps your kidneys flush out waste and toxins from your blood and regulate the balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. Water also prevents dehydration, which can cause kidney stones and kidney infections. You should drink enough water to keep your urine clear and light-colored, but not too much to avoid overloading your kidneys. The recommended amount of water intake varies depending on your age, weight, activity level, and health condition, but a general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Cabbage can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and free radical damage, which can cause inflammation and scarring. Cabbage can also help lower blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes-related kidney complications. You can eat cabbage raw in salads or coleslaw, or cook it as a side dish or in soups and stews. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your heart and brain health. But did you know that omega-3s can also benefit your kidneys? Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation and blood pressure in the kidneys, which can improve their function and prevent kidney damage. Omega-3s can also lower triglycerides and cholesterol levels in the blood, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, which are common complications of kidney disease. Number 7. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and for good reason. Apples are delicious, nutritious, and versatile. They are also good for your kidneys. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, which can benefit your kidneys and heart. Apples also contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. You can eat apples fresh, or make them into juice or cider. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that gives curry its yellow color and distinctive flavor. Turmeric is also a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can help fight infections and inflammation in the kidneys. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that can lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which are both important for kidney health. Turmeric can also prevent kidney stones by inhibiting the formation of calcium oxalate crystals in the urine. You can use turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root in your cooking, or take it as a supplement after consulting with your doctor. Number 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the best sources of antioxidants in nature. They contain anthocyanins, flavonoids that give them their blue color and powerful health benefits. Blueberries can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can impair their function and cause damage. Blueberries can also lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which are both beneficial for kidney health. You can eat blueberries fresh or frozen, or add them to smoothies or oatmeal. Number 10. Yogurt. Yogurt is a fermented dairy product that contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and help digest food and fight infections. Probiotics can also improve kidney health by preventing urinary tract infections, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, and enhancing immune system function. You can eat yogurt plain or flavored, make yogurt smoothies or dips, or add it to your dishes. So these are the 10 foods that can help repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function. By adding these foods to your diet and avoiding foods that can harm your kidneys, such as processed foods, salt, sugar, alcohol, and caffeine, you can support your kidney health and prevent kidney disease. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.